Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to see your Facebook password on Android phone. So first go to Facebook, then go to settings. Now tap settings, then from here go to account center. Now tap your profiles, tap change password and pick your account, and from here tap forgotten your password and then type your old password or try another way. So it's all about resetting your password because you cannot see your password on Facebook, so you just simply have to change your Facebook password. So yeah, this is all you can do. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.